Welcome to Onshape. What you want to do is go over to your Create document over here underneath the Onshaped. Press Create and then choose Document. Name it whatever you want. For this, we are just doing a guide key. So, you want to type in GUIDE space KEY. Press OK. Now that you're going in here, you might You might notice it might be automatically set to a certain dimension, which you won't want. So you want to go over to Workspace Units beside the Onshape document, also known as the Document menu. Click on Workspace Units. You are able to change the unit you're working with from millimeter to foot, but for this, we are working with millimeters. You do not have to change anything else here, since we are only working with millimeters today. So what you want to do after that is now press Sketch. Then select one of the planes that are shown right here. What we're going to do is select the front plane. Double-click the small cube over here with the word front on it to select the front view. Now, go over to this hotbar up here, filled with all sorts of lines and shapes. Click the Line tool. Then go ahead and select your center point. You want to go up 51.5 millimeters. Once you select that, it does not have to be perfect. Just put the line somewhere on the line and then type in 51.5. If you're having issues, it's because you have to do it after you've selected the second point, and then you want to press Enter. Then after that, you want to go over 55 millimeters. And then if you haven't already noticed by now, you just go back down till you select this line and then go over once again. Now we have our square, or rectangle. Once you've connected all of the lines, go over to the extrude that is near the line tool. Click on the extrude, and for this, left click and angle it, or right click, sorry. Then what you want to do is select the depth of the face. And what you want to type in here is 57. You don't have to put the millimeters, all you do is have to press the enter button. Voila. After that, you press the check mark. Then go ahead and press the sketch button once again. Click on the front of this newly created cube you had. Go ahead and select your line tool. Then select either of the top corners of your little rectangle. Go over 13 millimeters. Then go down 13 millimeters. Then go over 29 millimeters. Then go up and complete your rectangle. Make sure there is no missing connections, or this won't work as the way you want. You do not have to put the other line on the other side, but if you want to, you may go ahead. Once you've done all of that, press the extrude once again. And instead of adding this time, you want to go ahead and click the remove. As you can see here, and now we type in the same number that gave us the length of our rectangle, which is 57. Enter. And once you've done that, click the green check mark. And what you should have is this, a rectangle with now a missing part that looks like a guide. Once you've done that, go to the right side of this newly created shape and click on this on the side of your shape. Go ahead and select the line tool. For this, you want to select the center point again, and then go ahead and go up 32 millimeters. And this over here doesn't matter how far you go. Just make sure you don't select all the way over here because that's not going to work. Select here, go at it at an angle, and then the bottom line you're going to make into 47.5. Then after that, you're going to want to go up to your hotbar again, then go over to the tool that says Dimension. Click on that. In order to get the 60-degree angle that your drawing should have, you want to select the top line and then the hypotenuse. And then go ahead and make this degree 60. Press enter. And this is what it should give you. Once you've done that, go over to the extrude. Click extrude once again. Since you're continue to be on add, do not remove. Now you want to add about 54 millimeters, sorry. Once you've done that, it should look like that. Now, once you've completed that step, press the check mark once again. Congratulations, you have now completed the very first step of your drawing.